Ever looked at your Koho account and wondered, where in the world is my Koho email? I mean, it's like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people are probably scratching their heads right now, trying to figure out this little digital puzzle. Today, we're diving deep into the Koho universe to uncover that elusive email address. Let's face it, your email is like your digital passport. It's your key to accessing important account information, resetting passwords, and staying in the loop with all things Koho. But finding it? That's a whole different story. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's embark on this digital treasure hunt together. Understanding the Koho ecosystem. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand how Koho works. It's a financial app that offers a prepaid Visa card, savings accounts, and other financial tools. To make the most of these features, you need a reliable email address linked to your account. This is where things can get a bit tricky. Method 1. Checking your profile settings. The most straightforward way to find your Koho email is by checking your profile settings. Open the Koho app on your smartphone. Tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Look for a section labeled Personal Information or something similar. Here, you should find your email address listed. If you can't find it there, don't panic just yet. We've got more tricks up our sleeves. Method 2. Look for verification emails. Koho often sends verification emails for various reasons, like account setup, password resets, or transaction confirmations. These emails can be a goldmine of information. Check your primary email inbox for emails from Koho. Look for emails with subject lines containing keywords like verification, welcome, or password reset. Open these emails and take note of the email address used. Method 3. Contact Koho support. If you've exhausted all other options, it's time to reach out to Koho's customer support team. They're there to help. Open the Koho app and look for a help or support section. Contact Koho through their preferred communication channel, whether it's email, phone, or live chat. Provide them with your account information and explain that you're trying to find your registered email address. Additional tips. Check spam and promotions folders. Sometimes, verification emails can end up in these folders. Use different email addresses. If you've used multiple email addresses with Koho, try checking each one. Be patient. Customer support teams can get busy, so be prepared to wait for a response. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.